Alright devs, I created this app and believe me, all I did was just write what I want. I didn't even have to copy and paste the code. It directly writes and modifies code in my code editor. And I was able to publish app on Play Store, but not on Apple App Store. $99 per year. Just see my shops. Can't afford that. Okay, back to the video. Let's create a new folder and open it on VS Code. Also install the GitHub Copilot extension so we can use it on VS Code. Now let's open the Copilot chat and select agent mode so that it can edit your files. I asked it to create a simple note-taking mobile app using React Native. It asked me to run the command. I just click continue and it ran the necessary command itself and all the files pops up.
Wow!
So now what? How can we test the app? So we need an Android emulator. For that, I downloaded Android Studio and from the virtual device manager, I created a virtual device and launched it. Now that we have the Android emulator running, let's ask Copilot again to run the app. It detected the Android emulator and started doing stuff. And when I open the virtual device, it installed the app. Seems like this is the default React Native app. Again, I asked the Copilot to modify the app, saying that I want a full screen text box on the main screen. And just see the magic. It started updating my code. Now you can see there is a full screen text box, but you can see it's literally at the top of the screen. So I asked it again to move it little down. It's perfect. Now let's add the logic double tap to save the note. Okay, now when I double tap on the screen, it saves the note on local storage. Now let's get all the saved notes and show it above the text box. Okay, it is showing the notes now, but I want a horizontal list, not vertical. Now it looks exactly what I needed. Okay, now let's add the logic of deleting the notes. When long press the note, it asks whether to delete it or not, and on confirmation, it deletes a note. Okay, that is also working now. Now let's add the logic of updating the notes. When I tap on any note, it should show the content of the note in the text box, and when I save, it should update the existing note. Updating notes is also working now. Now let's add the search logic. When I start typing on the note, if it matches with any of the notes, filter it and show me those notes. Searching notes is also done. So step by step I asked all the things that I wanted, like adding background, adding menus, adding settings to change the color, and Copilot did it all. And this is my final app. The app is in the Play Store and the link is in the description. Please do give it a try. Let me know if any improvement or feature needed. If you like this kind of videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Jai Nepal.